Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Control by 10th Avenue North. This song was recommended to me by Beth Hess. Thank you, Beth, for sending me your recommendation. Now if any of you would like to leave me your song suggestions, all you got to do is put it in the comments down below, and be sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can keep up to date with all of the new tutorials that I come out with. Now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
Here I am, all my intentions, all my obsessions, I wanna lay them all down in your hands. Only your love is vital. Though I'm not entitled, still you call me your child. God, you don't need me, but somehow you want me. Oh, how you love me, and somehow that frees me to take my hands off of my life and the way it should go. God, you don't need me, but somehow you want me. Oh, how you love me, somehow that frees me to open my hands up and give you control. I give you control. I've had plans shattered and broken, things I have hoped in fall through my hands. You have plans to redeem and restore me. You're behind and before me. Oh, help me believe. God, you don't need me, but somehow you want me. Oh, how you love me, and somehow that frees me to take my hands off of my life and the way it should go. God, you don't need me, but somehow you want me. Oh, how you love me, and somehow that frees me to open my hands up and give you control. You want me, somehow you want me. The King of Heaven wants me. So this world has lost its grip on me. You want me, somehow you want me. The King of Heaven wants me. This world has lost its grip on me.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.